Now let us come to 11th verse. Kamasyaptim. This Brahmalok, aptim means pinnacle. Pinnacle of fulfillment of all desires. That means maximum pervasiveness of authority. Kamasyaptim, maximum pervasiveness of authority. Aptim means pinnacle. Okay. After that, kama. Kama, not kama. So, Jagatah Pratishtham, second word. These are all adjective of Brahmalok. Okay. Jagatah Pratishtham. It is the base of the whole world because it pervades. I told you, no? More pervasiveness is more authority. So, he has pervasiveness of all. They said Swami Vivekananda ji also came from Brahmalok only. He was one denizen resident of Brahmalok who took avatar for emancipation of the people. They say effect is big, cause must also be big. So second is Jagatah Pratishtham. Second point, comma. Where comma? After Pratishtham. Okay. Then Kratoho Anantyam. Kratoho means of Upasana. Sanskrit version, Kratu is the word. So, 6th case, Kratoho, of Upasana. Of Upasana. What? Anantyam. Of Upasana means, Anantyam means infinite fruit. Infinite means tremendous big fruit. Tremendous big fruit. You know, when ordinary president goes and prime minister goes, I don't know here, but in India when they pass, prime minister, whole road is emptied. I don't know here they empty or not. Here, no. So if that prime minister goes, because of security reasons, whole road is empty. 10-15 cars are going ahead. 20 cars are behind. Plus pilot is also there. Pilot means also on a motorbike is there. Whistles are blowing all around. And for what? One simple person whose weight is hardly 70-80 kg. Height is also 5-6 feet. He is sitting at one. For him, so much of, I used to see when Indira Gandhi used to pass. So she used to stand on the jeep. And before her, 15 cars. When he dog crossed, supposing she is coming in dog crossed, so the collector will be suspended. Why the dog crossed? Because the car had to stop. Matlab, their authority amazes me. And when American president passes, you see the car what he has. It is missile proof car. Missile can't hit that car. Forget what is stone. If tire gets punctured, another tire will come. Quite sophisticated car is there. Not like our, that Panditji's, what is his name? What is his name? That Panditji? Pitambar. Not that car. Big car. Plus the ambulance is there behind. Ye nahi ki flu is there, I have to see doctor, I can't get the date today. I will see him day after tomorrow. Imagine the authority that they enjoy. Whole district, all police, collector, this, that. Salute after salute, salute after salute, every corner. And whole city is painted, every hoarding is there, and that one person comes down from his car. Hundreds of people are waiting for garland. Not 1-2 people, hundreds of people. Kya yaar, kya phal hai inka? What a fruit is there. When I see the Indian, I saw, not here, I didn't see. Indian Prime Minister, when I see that, kya fruit hai? Kya fruit hai bhai? What an authority everywhere. Not that he has to ask for water and then water did not come for half an hour. Or he asked the work to be done, work is not done. Yeah, whole country, one side. What power is in the pen? Yes, I want all shops to be closed of this province. All shops should be closed on this day. It will be declared as yoga day or whatever day is there. Sir, sign it. Just initial. All shops closed. Here you go, make one shop close. They'll throw us out. Well, you are asking me to close the shop. Why? No, but I want it is my birthday. What? Your birthday, even if you die, we won't close the shop. क्या ऐश्वर्य है? I hope you're appreciating what I'm saying. यहाँ तो एक साइंस है, attack. When this India-Pakistan, just now it happened, war-like situation came. Everybody was looking on Prime Minister. Now let me see how he attacks Pakistan. How he attacks. And he said, I'll give a very befitting reply. Army men all are sitting there. Army men say, we are ready, sir. You have to just say yes. He said, no, first tell me what you are going to do. He said, this hour. We said, okay, go in the night, 3 o'clock, when everybody is sleeping. Drop the bomb there and come back. And go from 7-8 local places to drop the bomb. I think more than 1,000 kg bomb they dropped. Who? One person has authority. In the night they went, dropped the bomb, 300, 400 terrorists got killed, then they came back. देख रहे हो आप दम उसमें? What is the power of his words? Whole army, whole police, whole commandos. Oh, ये दम होती है. I just see how much will the power of God like that. Whole country is now there. He can suspend somebody. He can appoint anybody. Anything he can do. Those who are in Brahmalok, therefore kratoho anantyam, very big fruit is there. Then I wonder what upasana must he have done. इतना पावर, इतना ऐश्वर्य, so much pervasiveness, what he must have done to get this kind of authority. Abhayasya param means acme of fearlessness. Why? Because nobody can challenge you. Nobody can say, get out. It is not my room. It is go in your room. Everything is my only. I can throw you out, not you. Abhayasya param. It's acme of fearlessness. There is no challenger in your life. Oh, very good, sir. I think I should go to Brahmalok only. Acha, when? Tomorrow, I think I should. Tomorrow you can't reach Johannesburg also. Okay. So, stomum. The only thing, I don't have a place to stay. Where? I will go for bread and breakfast. Bread and breakfast is there. There I'll stay there. Stomum. Stonum means adorable. Most adorable. Oh, most adorable. One person decided we'll bomb Afghanistan. Who? Bush. You know what he said? He said, as Afghanistan was 500 years back, we'll take it back there only. One person. When 9/11 happened, and they bombed left and right, killed many people, all terrorists, finished, all camps over. The authority hoti hai. All ships, big ships, America is very powerful in the naval base and the air force, all big. You can see from all sides. This Saddam Hussein was there. Saddam Hussein. Which country? Huh? You know how they attacked him? He was yet to be hanged ultimately. He was holding up in some place. This is how he was caught. They went into the barrack inside the earth. He said, surrender. Who are you? You know what he said? President Saddam. He said, Acha President, now I'll tell you who are you. They put him in a small cell. He had to wash his own clothes. They didn't give him shaving cream also to shave. Whom? That president. And in his country, by their judges, they got him hanged. ये पावर है एक आदमी की. Imagine their power. I think those who go in Brahmalok, and supposing you pray to them, they can also, because their power is more pervasive and therefore they have more authority. Ustomam, praising. Urugayam. Mahat means great. All is adjective. Oh. Urugayam means vast. Vast. Pratishtham means abode. Drishtva does not mean seeing. Drishtva means seeing the fault of this Brahmalok also. Which fault? 3. Which 3? Dukkha mishritatvam, mixed with sorrow. 2nd, atripti karatvam means dissatisfied. 3rd, bandhagatvam is bondage. Here also bondage is there. Why? Here you also come back after Brahmaloka also. My God, here also problem will be there. Yes, later on. After becoming president, you are afraid I may lose my power. And in the news you read, somebody saying bad about you. I think when they read newspaper, how much negative comments are there? How will they get sleep? There also problems are there. But Nachiketa, Dhiraha, Dhira, you are very Dhir. Here Dhir means one who understands. Atyasrakshi, you left that also. Very good. Why you left? You saw the limitation of that, because this will not take away from my rebirth. Again I may have to bond. This will be gone because it's a fruit of action. It will go away. I hope you are clear. So much time had gone in explaining this, so that you are convinced something exists like that. Otherwise you will know, where it exists. Atyasakshi, you left that also. Dam chahiye. Now 11th, 12th and 13th shlok is now precursor. Precursor. For what? For your future studies of Vedanta. What is mentioned? Gyan sadhanam. So the means of attaining knowledge is mentioned. So Vidya Stuti and Vidya Phalistuti. The glorification of knowledge and the glorification of fruit of knowledge is there. Please repeat after me. Tam durdarsham gudham anupravishtam guhahitam gavvareshtham puranam adhyatma yoga adigamena devam matva dhiro harsha shokau jahati. Should I break the words more? Is it okay? Shall I break it more? How many of you practiced in your room with Sanskrit reading? Anybody practiced? Practiced? Good. Nobody else? Okay, thank you. Others, please try. I did not know you'll ask. Yes, tomorrow again I'll ask. Okay, I'll practice one word. No, few mantras. Tam durdarsham गूढ़मनुप्रविष्टम गुहाहितम गव्वरेष्ठम पुराणम अध्यात्मयोगादिगमेन देवम् मत्वा धीरो हर्षशोकौ जहाति. Now he is saying tam. Tam means here not topic is about now Atma is shifting. That Atma. Okay. Tam. Durdarsham. Durdarsham. Not Durdarshan. Durdarsham. Durdarsham means difficult to see. Why? Why it is difficult? Very subtle. Subtle means less property. Less property. Indriya agocharam, which is not perceived by senses. You can't say, Atma I saw yesterday night. Whose Atma? My Atma. Where? On my stomach. You can't say like that. As I lied down, Atma came on my stomach. Then what happened? Because I am overweight, it fell down. So you cannot say like that it was on my stomach sitting. Moment I started snoring, it slipped. You cannot say. It is Indriya Gocharam. Where from you get such ideas? So Tam Durdarsham. Don't forget the meaning. All are defined word. You cannot give another meaning. It is not like it is like difficult to see the sun eyes to eyes. It is not the meaning here. Here difficulty is because it is not perceived by the senses. Next word is Gudham. Gudham means what? Deep. Ghanam. Gudham. Gudham means what? Ghanam. Why it is called Gudham? Why it is called Gudham? Gudham means, it is like I say, what is this? What is this? Hand, palm you can say at the most. But you are wrong. What? I am wrong. Yes, all the time I am wrong only. No, listen. This is not. This is the light reflected from the palm you are seeing. Your attention is on this palm and not on the light. So this hand has hidden the light. This hand, now light is Gudham. So some gross thing has covered the subtle thing as if not covered really. It has covered. Like I went to the temple somewhere. So ladies were there. Well, what an ornament is there. Wow. In India, one temple was there. Lord Ram, Shiva. Beautiful ornament. Only that necklace which you are seeing, very expensive. Two ladies were talking. I was trying to concentrate. And these two ladies kept on talking. Then they said, that earring, I don't know where from they got it. Very nice earring. Instead of seeing the Lord and getting more closer to the Lord, whole attention, that diamond is good, that earring is good, and this is. So ornaments had veiled the Lord. And I could not go. Wherever I was going, they were following me anywhere. I went there, slowly they came there also. Then I came this side to concentrate and remain quiet. They came. Where is Swamiji going, leaving us? Okay, ठीक है भगवान, whatever you want, I agree with that. ये पीछे पड़ गई हैं, कोई बात नहीं. This is called Gudham. Don't think Atma is somewhere hidden on bed, somebody has come some bowl. Not like that. Like this is there, I have hidden this like. It is not hiding like this. It is hiding because my attention is on the grass. My attention is on the grass. Therefore, that attention has taken away the subtle. That is Gudam. Next word is Anupravishtam. Anupravishtam means entered in the depth. Entered. Anupravishtam. It has entered. It has entered in the depth. It is why entered? Because ordinary person cannot see that. Therefore, it is entered. It is entered into the depth. Entered means it cannot be just perceived outside. Next word. Guha hitam. Guha means actually mind. It is the Guha hitam means what? Guhayam buddha sitam. It is in the, this is a technical word. Guha hitam means it is in the mind. What do you mean by this mind? It is available. Please get this point. It is available as the witness of absence and presence of thought. It can be known as the witness of absence and presence of thought. That is called Guha hitam. Atma is everywhere, but available place is there. Government is everywhere in the South Africa. But if you want to meet, you have to go to Pretoria. Similarly, Atma is everywhere. We will see this topic. But in the Buddhi, it is somebody seeing all the thought. And absence of the thought. When you are sleeping, then also it is seeing that there is no thought. When you are awake, then also, when I am angry, then also it knows this person is angry. That is called Guha hitam. Okay. Is it okay? Guha hitam, you can discuss this. Guha hitam means which is available only at the intellect level as the presence and absence of thought. Perception, what you call as witness. Witness. You say no, that today I was very sad in the morning. Who knew? Who knew this? I knew this. You knew this, yes. One who, before sadness you were there. Who? You. Yes. And after, now sad. No, I'm not sad. Just 8 o'clock. From 6:45 to 8 o'clock, mind was weird. I cried a lot in my room. So, my one whole handkerchief got wet. By what? By crying. But why you were crying? I can't tell everything, Swamiji. I'll tell you later on. So 1 hour, 15 minutes you were crying. Yes, not all the time, but I will taking some interval also. But I was very sad in short. No, before 6:45 you were there sad. No, I was not sad all the time. I was happy. Quiet, yes. You were there, yes. After 8 o'clock you were there, yes. Very good. One who knew the sadness was sad or different than sad? Huh? One who knew the sadness was sad or different than sad? Different than sad. Why? It was same as sadness, then that also would have died at 8 o'clock. Because sadness went away. But this person one who knew did not go away. That means he must different than sad. Yes. The one who knows the sad and is not sad, one who knows the happiness and is not happy, he is Sakshi or witness. He is mentioned here by the word Guha hitam. Atma is available for perception at that level. Some of you may find it difficult, but you write it. Slowly we will understand. It will take some time. Don't worry if you don't understand. But don't leave the subject. If you are not getting it, try to clarify it. You should not sweep under the carpet. Next word is Huh? Gavarishtham. Surrounded by problems. Gavarishtham means Vishme anek anarth sankate tishtati iti Gavarishtham. So, only what problem Atma has? What problem Atma has? Surrounded by lot of problems, you are saying. So, I don't know what problem Atma has. If I have problem, I can understand. But what problem my Atma has? Here surrounded by, you keep quiet, then I'll talk. It is surrounded by means his body is there, pran is there. There are 5 koshas are there. One is called Annamay Kosh, second, Pranmay third, Manomay fourth, Vigyanmay fifth, Anandamay. Those who have not known it, you just hear all these things. Kosh means sheath. So this is outer sheet called Annamay Kosh. Behind is a power sheet called Pranamay Kosh. Then there is a thought sheet called Manomay Kosh. Then there is a conviction seat called, not sheet, sheath, Sheath, sheath. Then that is called Vigyanmay. Then there is an impression sheath, where all impression is there. That is called, then is Atma. So Atma is surrounded by means person identifies. It is very easily identifiable. That is called problem here. It is a figurative expression. Don't think Atma has a lot of problem. It's an expression. Gavarishtam. Next word is next Puranam. Well, Puranam means Puranam means Bhagavad Puran is there. Then there is a what is it called? Vishnu Puran is there. Shiv Puran is there. So Puranam means although it is ancient, but it is new. Pura api navam. It is most ancient, but most new. What? Either it will be ancient or new. How come it is ancient and new? Acha, you are ancient or new? Me, I am ancient. You are ancient. I am already 64 running. How can I be new? Acha? See, you are mistaking. Your body may be ancient, but your self is new still. Why? Because it is beyond time. When your body has got old, your Atma has not got old. You can't say, I have old Atma. If you say old Atma, that means Atma has changed. If Atma has changed, who knew the change? One who knew the change has changed or is changeless? It changed. No, if it has changed, then change cannot be perceived by the changing. Change has to be perceived by the changeless. If you say my old Atma, my Atma has become old, so somebody should be knowing that your Atma was earlier young, now it has become old. And then one who is knowing that Atma was young and it has become old, that should not change. And therefore Atma is not changing. To see the changing, changeless has to be there. First time when I came to Durban, somebody said, let us go out. I said, okay, I went out. I said, Durban has changed a lot. He said, when did you come earlier? I had not come. How do you know then? If you have not come earlier, how can you tell that it has changed? To see the change, you should be changeless. I am living here since last 20 years. Then I can say, it has changed a lot. Or you can say, this person has changed a lot. Earlier he was not talking, now he doesn't stop talking. You've changed. I've seen both sides of this person. Both sides I have seen. Earlier he was not loving me at all. Now he just loves me madly. I am just waiting when he will stop again. Anyway, so to see the changing Atma. Therefore, Atma should be new or old. It is oldest and newest. In short, beyond time. This is called Puranam. Oh, this is all Vedanta. Atma is very interesting. These are difficult. No, it's very. It is more easier than our physics, mathematics, biology, science, etc. At least there is no test here. Life takes very surprising test. Life tests are difficult to pass. Too many tests are there. Too many exams are there here. How will I face that situation? Okay. यहाँ तो बहुत टेस्ट है भाई. Life is difficult, takes difficult test. And failing here means what? Failing here means what? Failing here means that you are not in your control. Sorrow is there, fear is there. So see the word, how many words? Durdarsham, Gudham, Gavvarishtham, Guhahitam, Gavvarishtham, Anupravishtham, Gavvarishtham, Puranam. 6 ठीक है ना? 6 नहीं ठीक है? 5 only. Let us start once more. Durdarsham, Gudham, Anupravishtham, Guhahitam, Gavvarishtham, Puranam. 6. How will I know that? Have patience first. Adhyatma yogadigamen devam. To that Dev, which Dev? Which is mentioned by 6 words is called Dev here. How do you know by it? Adhyatma yogadigamena. Fixing the mind on the self. By fixing the mind on the self. This is the meaning of Adhyatma yogadigamena. What is the meaning of fixing the mind on the self? Wait. Knowing this, that wise person transcends sorrows and joys. What is the meaning of that? We will see it in our next class. These mantras are important. Please take it seriously.